1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they equal almost the same height. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it looks like a big and probably 1, 2 here. Let me check. Yeah, this one's a big 1, 2, and then a small one. So total quantity of boxes would be 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back, rows 3 deep. That's 12. The next row is another 12. That's 24. The following row is 4 deep. 4 deep, 4 deep. 2 of the big boxes and a small one. So that would have been 4, 12, 24, 25, 26 big boxes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 deep. That's 12, 13 on that row that I'm looking at here that says like tag 12. That row there is 4, 12. The 4 threes are 12, 13 is what it turns out to be. The small ones, and then on the front row there's 1, 2, 3, 4 deep there, and 3 deep, 3 deep, and 3 deep. So that would be of the small boxes. 1, 2, 3, 2 threes are 9, 12, 13 on the front row, and the other one is 3 deep, 13. That's 26 boxes that way, and whatever I said the other one was. Then up front we have one box loose right here. It's number 57. Here's a box with Ed's stuff in it, but it's not batteries. There's another box here, which is a blue box that should be batteries. 54. And this should be batteries. Got 2 box numbers with it, no, 55 and 54 and 56, which says foot pump and other things. So that's not batteries or anything like that. Frequency counter and speaker, so forth. And this is Islands Radio number 52. So this is 160 radios in this one. Special box. 40 VIP radios in box 53. So that's the total. Hello.
How you going?
I'm trying to get it ready for Tim.
Oh, Tim is going to drive it?
Yeah, he's going to try to drive it. I'm just trying to take it.
Big is this kind of big truck?
Huh?
Why he be so big?
There's going to be a lot more stuff coming back.
Oh.
So going down, there's not as much as coming back. Yeah. This is my cable splicing, TV monitor, computer, phone, Kintronics recording. It's TV, my bag. It's computer. Kintronics, my computer, monitor, cable, video camera, and tape recorder, besides the one I'm using. All the rest stayed the same back that direction. The only thing I did was move these 2 cartons here on top of each other and scooted this in. I've got the stereo earphones additional.